wishing a very good evening to one and all. Today, we are here to celebrate a very special occasion of our very own Novel Bunch family member Mubarak Sandhu. His new book launch and along with that, his podcast magazine launch, which is the world's first podcast magazine by a podcaster. The magazine and signed copy of his books are available at the book counter, and I am sure and I believe that you all must have taken the copies in maximum numbers to support our writer here. I, Shweta Malhotra, welcome you all to this special event which has been curated especially for the podcast guest of the Mubarak Show, the members of Novel Bunch, the sponsors of Podcast Magazine, and close friends of the man of the moment, Mubarak Sandhu. Before we proceed for the unveiling of the book and the magazine, let me share a few more details. Yesterday, the Mubarak Show podcast completed its 50 episodes in 50 weeks without missing a single week throughout the year. Some episodes featured more than one guest, so it is important to mention that no guest was repeated in any episode, thereby featuring more than 50 guests in a single year of podcasting. And we are talking of the number 50 here. So I'm reminded of another reference to the same digits. The new poetry book of Mubarak also consists of 50 poems. 50 is the lucky number here. So it's like 50 weeks, 50 podcast episodes, 50 guests, 50 poems, and one more thing. The podcast magazine initially had 50 pages, but then Mubarak was told that the number has to be a multiple of 4, so he reduced the count to 48 pages, which was otherwise 50 as well.
So 50 is your...
And talking of the book, the best poetry book I wish it becomes. It consists of poems having intriguing titles, such as The Scarecrow, Unemployment Favors the Government, Romance as a Poetry, O Rain, Wash My Sins Away, Death of Innocence, The Supremacy of Nature, and so on. Another beautiful thing about the book is that Mubarak has dedicated this book to his mom and dad, just like he dedicated his previous poetry book to his elder brother. The love for his family and the guts to speak the truth while following his ethics and discipline are always visible in the ever-enthusiastic personality of our dearest Mubarak Sandhu. Now, before inviting our guest on stage for the release of the book and the magazine, I must thank the sponsors of the magazine who have supported immensely to make this magazine and this event possible. I would like to thank Joshi Automobiles Private Limited, Joshi Hyundai and Hyundai Motors India Limited, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur Engineering College, Fatehgarh Sahib, a premium institute established in 1993, Tesla, a leader in career counseling and test preparation, Posha by Embrace Hotels, Kasoli, Com TV, the first OTT platform for Punjabi documentaries, Guru Kripa Timber Phase 2 Mohali, Academy of Broadcasting, Story Scrapers, Vibrant Networking Forum, 90.8 Capital FM, Smart Books India, Balle Magazine, and Paper Town Publishers. Last but not the least, the Novel Bunch Literary Forum, without whose support today's event would not happen. In order to thank these crucial pillars of magazines and event support system, they have a huge round of applause for their appreciation. Please, ladies and gentlemen, one more round of applause for them. Now it is the time that we all have been waiting for eagerly, the time to unveil the best poetry book and the Mubarak Show podcast magazine formally on stage. And I must inform you all here that no special or chief guest has been named for today's event, considering you all are equally special and close to the heart of everyone, which is the core belief of Novel Bunch. stage the writer and podcaster himself, Mubarak Sandhu. That was a leap, the giant leap. Now let's welcome on stage Lieutenant General Kamaljeet Singh, Tiny Jilo sir, PVSM, UPSM, YSM, VSM, a best-selling writer himself and motivational speaker. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Vivek Andre, ex-IAS, 12 times TEDx speaker, author, columnist, and a visiting professor. I would now like to invite Ms. Saguna Jain, an entrepreneur, golfer, co-founder of Literary Digest magazine and co-founder of Novelton and Chandigarh Literary Society. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Hardeep Chandpuri, a renowned radio personality, Limca Award holder for his grant and Academy of Broadcasting, founder of Ferntree Publishing, co-founder of the Novel Bunch, founder of Baleboli and Literary Digest magazines, and also the COO of 90.8 Capital FM Chandigarh. He is also the features head of the Daily Guardian newspaper. So now we are unveiling the most awaited poetry book by Mubarak Sandhu, the best poetry book I wish it becomes. It is now time to unveil the best and one of its kind podcasting magazine which is launched by Mubarak Sandhu.
Yes, you can. With the civil services, now you can discuss with the red tape.
A louder round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thanks to him. He is able to take out the best in everybody.
First of all, Mubarak for this wonderful book and the magazine. And thank you for all of you coming here. Thank you very much. A lot of Novel Bunching and a few other guests also. Thank you very much. So Mubarak, I think my only qualification to be sitting here today is that he interviewed me first on the Mubarak show. I was the first one. जहाँ पर इसने अपना हाथ साफ किया. You were then very confident, and with the passage of time, with the passage of more episodes, you become even better.
Thank you, sir.
So that metamorphosis from writing onto video is not easy. I'm basically a print guy and an audio guy, but don't have that kind of confidence for the video. How did that happen?
Sir, I would say all thanks to you and all thanks to Novel Bunch. So it's important to share with everyone here because after I was introduced as a writer, my first literature festival in which I was invited, it was Dharamshala Literature Festival, and that was organized by Mr. Hardeep Singh Chandpuri by Novel Bunch. And in that particular event, a session, I was told to host a session as a moderator. So I've told the same things in today's podcast that we've just released today. It released yesterday, I've shared with everyone today. So that was the first opportunity where I was there on stage as a moderator, as a host, as an interviewer. And that helped me explore how, I have that potential as well. I could write, okay, I wrote, but I never knew I can interview as well. Having good communication skills never means I never knew that. So thank you, sir. You gave me that opportunity. And then later on, with time, I was given an idea by a very dear friend that because you are a writer now and you have a circle of literary people around with whom you can start a podcast, so why not give it a try? So then I gave it a try, and just like sir said, sir was the first one jहाँ पे मैंने हाथ साफ किया. So it's important to share here. I just called Hadeep sir कि sir मैं थोड़े को ना office होना है. So he said me आजा चाय पीने. I just went to his office and I said sir I'm starting a podcast. I'm planning to start a podcast. Okay, कर ले फिर. मैं कहती okay करता रहूँगा but today I'm here to record a podcast with you. कहते अच्छा अपा घर की करनी है. मैं कहा सर मैं नहीं पता जो भी होगी कर देंगे. So he said okay पहला चाय पीनी है फिर अपा गल करेंगे. And then we had a cup of tea. Meanwhile he called his Mr. Nikhil. He's the interviewer for his podcast, his channel. So Nikhil ji ਜਦੋਂ तक ਅਸੀਂ पहुंचे Nikhil ji ने cameras भी ready कर दिए थे. We didn't have time कि मैं ਉੱਥੇ बैठ के भी सर ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਾਂ कि सर ਆਪਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ. So we just sat there. The cameras were right in front of me. I said sir ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ. Sir कहते कैमरे का बटन दब ਗੱਲਬਾत ਆਪੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗੀ. So he actually turned on the video. I started the podcast and that's how I started the podcast with him. That was the first podcast and we will read here.
Thank you for your kind words. That is basically what the idea of having Novel Bunch was all about. There were the literary platforms where we were seeing the same old thing happening over and over again. Me and Sobhana always decided, let's give a chance to people who usually don't get a chance to sit on the stage, and I think we've been pretty successful in doing that, all because of your support. We are nothing without you all. Mubarak, your two earlier books were science fiction, right?
Fantasy fiction.
Yeah. So, can you tell us how did you graduate from there? Did you did a master's or did you do a bachelor's for moving on to poetry?
Probably I didn't graduate from fiction to poetry. I failed and went from poetry to fiction first. And then I graduated again. I went into complimentary examination and I became a poet again.
So you've gone through the grind, you know?
Yes, I've gone through a lot. So the thing is, I'm a poet first. I used to write poetry even when I was studying in school. So, but जब आप school में हैं और बड़ी immature की writing होती है, we love to write, but it is not that polished. It is not that mature. So anything that we write, it is out of passion, but it is not that mature. Even we are not that confident about those write-ups. So with time, I matured in it and I wrote. मेरे लिखे हुए कुछ गाने भी आए हैं YouTube पे. Some singers sung my songs. And then eventually I started writing English poetry as well. Fiction, how it happened was that when I was writing as a freelance content writer, I got a project to write as a ghost writer for someone else. And that person living in America, he said, I'm ready to take the risk, I'm willing to take the risk. The thing is, you have to write a story in a way which can be transformed into a movie. So that's how I got an idea, I got an opportunity. I had to write that because I was getting paid for it. I said, let's give it a try. When someone else is taking the risk, let's do it. So yes, that's how I explored my potential of writing fiction. Then I write 2 fiction novels for myself. But poetry के साथ पीछा नहीं चला, फिर वापस मैं poetry गया.
You can turn a ghostwriter for poetry also. You can do my book. I'm very bad at poetry. I can't even write 2 lines about it.
Sure.
Now, this new book that you have, there are certain topics which are quite current and that affect society. Tell us something about that.
So there are some topics which I really, I should avoid speaking on mic, but then it's okay. I have written because I am open to share about it. There are topics like unemployment favors the government. So the government will boast of doing a lot of things using the term freebies. A lot of things would be given free of cost. But what is the government doing to uplift those people who need the things free of cost? So that is something that is there in my heart. I wanted to write about it. I've written about it. And the title says unemployment favors the government. Government wants to keep the people dependent on it, so that people should think कि कल को government change होगी तो पता नहीं सानू ये चीज़ां मिल पाएंगी कि नहीं. Now that is my perspective. That is what I thought. And the next thing is there's a very sensitive point again that says the scarecrow. The scarecrow again refers to the government here. Whenever we start finding the wrongs, whenever we start uniting, government like a scarecrow will move a little so that the birds, the crows should fly away. कोई नवी policy आ जाएगी, कोई नवी mishappening हो जाएगी. There are a lot of things that you will see are happening around. जिन्ना दी इन्नी भी hype create नहीं होनी चाहिए. But scarecrow हिलदा है, आप सारे पटके रहने हैं. जिस मुद्दे पे आप सारे इकट्ठे हो रहे होने हैं, उथे इकट्ठे नहीं रहने. Again, that is a poet's perspective of saying that. So there are other points like "Oh rain, wash my sin away." Past is great rock, and I really love the past. And the past is like I'm talking about the years about 20 years ago. ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ 20-25 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ 5-10 ਜਾਣੇ 2 ਜਾਣੇ ਵੀ ਰੂਮ 'ਚ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਬੈਠਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਵਾਚਦਾ ਸੀ? No one at all. Whenever we used to sit together, we would talk to each other, we would play cards, we would play chess, we would play carom boards, there would be indoor games, there would be outdoor games, but we would not be lost in our mobile phones. Now we are lost in our mobile phones. Even if there are 3 people sitting in one room, there is not enough to talk. We start looking at phones, and if we keep the phones down, after 2 minutes we will be fighting with each other. So it's better to use phones for things. So that is there are such points, and there is a poem on novel bunch as well, sir. So the second last poem is on novel bunch. Novel bunch is an integral part of my life. Novel bunch is family. The second last poem is about the novel bunch. So these are the poems that I have written about, sir. And every poem is very close to my heart. It is not a random poem. Every poem is somewhere related to my life. So it is based on reality.
Even in the olden days, we used to get lost in the phones, waiting for that trunk call that we had booked in the morning until evening. So that kind of a thing. I would like to go through and read out the novel bunch poem, please. This is my favorite.
That's the point. Okay.
You would like to hear it?
Page number is 92. We'll just recite this poem. It says, "A bunch of novel bunch. Novel bunch, where art lovers stay, where artistry knows no delay. There exists a gathering so insightful, a haven for minds so delightful. A bunch of novel ones they are called, a literary group, both young and old. With art in minds and hearts aflame, they gather together without fortune's claim. There are no payments, there is no monetary benefit ever involved, so it was important to mention. With art in minds and hearts aflame, they gather together without fortune's claim. Writers expanding the literary tents, crafting worlds where imagination ascends. Await readers, devouring each page, lost in stories their minds engage. Poets, painting emotions with verse, capturing feelings both tame and terse. Their words like colors, vibrant and bright, a circle of rhymes like day and night. Calligraphy experts, Mr. Ajvendra, Mr. CJ Singh, we have amazing calligraphy experts in our bunch. Calligraphy experts with steady hand, intricate strokes like whispers grand. They breathe life into letters with graceful flow, turning words into art, a sight of glow. Illustrators with skilled hands and minds, bringing stories to life in visual minds. Their strokes and hues, a feast for the eyes, unveiling secrets with every stroke they devise. Officers and seniors, we have them right here on the first sofa, and there are many more who always guide us for anything that we want to do. Officers and seniors, guiding this journey with care, nurturing creativity beyond compare. They ensure that this space remains cost-free, a dimension where art can truly be. No money, no riches can be found here, but knowledge and joy is always there.
Yes.
In this world, the true wealth lies in friendships formed and minds that rise. Let us raise our pens and toast to this gathering where art is engrossed. A bunch of novel ones, forever bound, carrying around the novel one sound so profound.
That was a round of applause for Mubarak. Now we need a round of applause for Novel Bunch. Mubarak, this is, I guess, India's first ever podcast magazine. Tell us something about this. In today's world where everything is going digital, I also run two magazines. One is digital, one is print. It's very difficult to get into print these days. What prompted you to get into this?
Sir, this is not India's first podcast magazine. This is actually world's first podcast magazine.
Very nice.
So the thing is, whatever we do these days, we always have a lot of competition, and even if we don't call the term competition, there are a lot of things happening around which are similar to what we are doing. So if I am writing, there are a lot of people who are writing. If I am, I'm into sports, there are a lot of sports persons around. Similarly, if I am doing podcast, what's different that I can do as a podcaster? Now, that was something that I always thought about. And then one day I just, I was going through online, looking around for things, for researching for a lot of things. I tried to research and gain a lot of knowledge. So a term clicked in my mind, podcast magazine. So I thought, let's see who all are doing a podcast magazine. But there was no one else doing it. So I tried searching for it, social media, Google. I couldn't find the term podcast magazine. There was a website, Podcast Magazine. It is a website run by someone who ranks other podcasts which are going around. That is the only term that I found related to a website, to a podcast magazine. But there was no podcaster who was doing a podcast magazine. Now, that was okay. Idea ka sochna tha bahut sokha hai, but then how to execute it? So then we started designing it. We started thinking what can we include in the podcast magazine. So this podcast magazine includes my journey from starting from 29th of December 2023 when I released my first podcast till today, till date, the 50th episode was released. Everything has been included. The journey, it includes the starting, how I started, the vision with which we started, to only present positivity and motivation from the lives of the guests. Again, it was being asked by an interviewer outside that why are you getting into print या फिर podcast positive motivation करके तो चलता नहीं है ना थोड़ा controversy की लोड रहती है तो ये positivity नाल किमें गुजारा करूँगी मैं this is not going to गुजारा करने I want to bring out something which is positive, which is motivational, which is insightful, from which people can learn a lot of things. That was the vision with which this was started, and I'm blessed, I would say, and I'm proud to say that till date there has not been a single controversial comment on my YouTube channel on my social media. It's been 1 year, and in this 1 year, मैंने एक भी comment delete करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, and that is because we are doing very clean work, very genuine work, and that's all that we crave for. Upon a peace of mind, so that's how we started, and all the 50 guests who appeared in this year on my podcast, all those profiles have been mentioned in this podcast magazine. Along with that, we have worked very hard. Jo is the virtual digital magazine of the PDF form de vich. All the Instagram links and YouTube links are embedded in your profiles itself. So when you will get a PDF file, someone who is watching, for example, someone is looking at Shweta Ma'am's page, they can just click on Shweta Ma'am's Instagram profile that is mentioned right in front of her image. They can click on the YouTube link that is mentioned right there and will directly take them to their account or to their YouTube video. So we have worked that hard so that readers should connect with you all directly with just a single click. So that is how we started, and that's where we are here, sir.
Yeah, that's really nice. You started with me, right? One part of Novel Punch, and you finished with the other part of Novel Punch, that is Sapna in your podcast. That means that Novel Punch envelops everything that you do. Thank you very much on behalf of Novel Punch. You are part of that, you are an important part. So thank you from my side and everybody's side. Thank you. You can continue with the interaction with everybody. Thank you.
There's one last activity, a small engagement with Shweta Ma'am, please.
Okay, now that we have listened to this insightful interaction between the masters of communication, we have a unique second round of interaction which has never been witnessed in similar events. Usually we ask the audience if they have any question for the writer, but today we are going to have direct conversation of writer with the audience for next 15 to 20 minutes. So Mubarak Sandhu will himself start this interaction by sharing some moments from his podcasting journey. and the audience can then join in, making it an informal two-way interaction. I'm also keen to hear this. It is definitely going to be a very interesting round of discussion. So Mubarak, over to you.
Thank you so much. So it was really important to share the journey with you all right here in front of you, being with you, being in this family. So I'll start with a few memories that I can remember for it. हम पॉडकास्ट करते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग होती है, वीडियो देते हैं, चला देते हैं. उसमें कई बार कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि उस पर हंसी भी आती है एंड समवेयर हमें ये भी होता है कि यार ये ना ही होता तो भी अच्छा था ना. देयर आर चैलेंजेस दैट वी फेस. कई बार कुछ हंसी मजाक की चीज़ें हो जाती हैं. सो आई स्टार्ट विद ऑफ कोर्स हरदीप सर के साथ तो पॉडकास्ट में मैंने मेंशन कर दिया ऑलरेडी. So when I visited KJS Tiny Tillo sir's house to record his podcast, I remember. So I'll tell you how expectations are built. So there were some expectations for me. I went to his house. First of all, I entered the house and sir said, "Siri, chai bana dena." And I was sitting there and said, "Siri, chai bana dena?" Siri. And then later on I got to know कि जो घर पे help हैं, जो male members हैं जो help कर रहे थे, इनका सारा काम देखते हैं. So his name was Siri. So that was one thing. We were sitting there. We had our cup of tea. We had something, and we were still sitting there. I was waiting कि शायद सर को कुछ सर किसी वजह से डिले कर रहे होंगे, किसी की वेट चल रही होगी. And later on I got to know 5-10 मिनट निकल गए, बातें भी खत्म हो गई. And sir suddenly asked me, "Mubarak, so are we waiting for a cameraman? Are we waiting for your camera team?" मैं कहा सर मैं की दसा मैं तो आप भी मोबाइल ट्राइपॉड पे करके कैमरा. So I said, "No, sir, we'll manage. It's okay, we'll manage ourselves." So I didn't even say I don't have a camera team. I said, "We'll manage." He said, "Okay, you will manage. चलो फिर आप चलते हैं, वेट किस चीज़ की कर रहे हैं." So then we went upstairs, we recorded, and we recorded for around 1 hour. So his top floor of his house, on one side, just like there is a wall, वो सारी glass wall है, there is a glass door. So there was a construction going on in some other house, and there was a lot of noise. वो पाइपां चुक के सुट रहे थे, काफी खड़का आ रहे थे. और मैंने तो ये फील हो रहा था कि that we cannot help it. Nothing can stop it. The construction चल रही है तो चल रही है, आप क्या कर सकते हैं? And when the recording finished, sir said very politely with a smile, "Mubarak, मैं ना recording नहीं सी रोकना चाहता यार, मैं ना दरवाजा बंद करना भूल गया." So that's how we recorded. With God's grace, that background noise was somehow controlled, and yes, the podcast came out really well.
I just want to inform here, the podcast with Mubarak, the portion of it is being shown to the training officers and generals who are in the 20th school of India.
Yes.
The portion of this podcast is being shown as a training aid to the officers, generals and jawans of Infantry School, Mau of Indian Army.
जो गलत जवाब दे रहे हैं तो वो सरकार ने आपको नौ बंदों को बंद, लेकिन उस बंदे ने वो गल गई जो उन्हें जल्दी मैंने कहा इस पलटन के इतिहास में नहीं हुआ है. 7 बार हुआ है कि 200 से ज्यादा कैजुअलिटी हो गई है. पलटन ने फिर भी फर्क बात की. दिस इज द फीलिंग इंडियन सोल्जर कैरी. ये जो जज्बा है ये है, सी है रहेगा. ये कह देता है कि 2 राजनीति के लिए कर रहे हैं मदद की सफाई कर सबसे वाली होती है पलटन में.
That is the depth of it.
Okay, so now talking about challenges, I have my brother Rajveer here, very close friend since around 2012-13, more like a brother. Rajveer Sandhu, he runs an immigration agency by the name of My Immigrators. So now we are talking about challenges here. He came to my studio, and then of course with time I started using space, studio. He came to my studio, and for that particular day, the equipment of studio was not available. वो किसी और जगह पे production वास्ते equipment was not there. It was sent somewhere else. I had my own camera, one camera that is there, and second, I didn't have the second camera, so I rented from an agency. So we took a rental camera. We started recording. The guy who was there on the cameras, he checked कि recording शुरू हो चुकी है. Everything is going fine. And once everything is going fine, we all, I started interacting with him, and that person sat on the other camera not focusing on the camera, जिसकी जो rental camera थी. So after about 50-55 minutes, I just looked at the camera and the red light was not working. It was off, which signifies कि camera चल रहा है. So red light होनी चाहिए. So when he completed his answer, I Rajveer, I'm sorry, I have to stop you, but I think there is some problem with the camera. Maybe it's a rental camera, कि light ही खराब हो गया ना, हो सकता है. But नहीं, light खराब नहीं थी. So the person who gave us the camera, he didn't format the card. And we didn't know कि rental camera होता है, because it was the first time I was taking a rental camera. I didn't know that I have to check all these parameters. A card formatted है कि नहीं, everything is working fine. It started recording, we just sat and started recording. And it record for that 1 hour podcast. It was gone, and the next second guest, Mr. Pavan Chotia ji, was already waiting outside to record right after him. But he is always as polite and positive. He said, "Paji, अपन ये मानते हैं कि ये अपनी ना रिहर्सल होगी, मैं दोपहर बाद दोबारा आऊँगा रोटी। So it was his first podcast. It was his first podcast. So he with a smile he said कि कोई बात नहीं भाई, अब दोपहर बाद दोबारा कर देंगे, अपनी रिहर्सल होगी। So I recorded with him again, but thankfully it was, it was a close friend, a brother of, उनको आप कह सकते थे जी कोई उस तरह का formal guest होता जिन्हें ये चीज़ कहनी पड़ जाती है कि आप एक घंटा दोबारा record है, it would have been very very difficult. Next thing, Olympian Mr. Sukhveer Singh Garewal, he came to my podcast. I believe 3 or 4 days after him. And that day किसी ने शरारत ये करी कि हम rental camera लेके आए, हमने सारे parameters check किए, everything was working very fine, it was so good. यार आज की कोई problem होगी. So whoever took that camera on rent before us, they reduced the audio reception level to 0. Now the camera would show that it is receiving audio, but it is not actually recording it. It was at 0 level. It was actually supposed to be at 30, level 30. To receive the audio properly. It was at level 0. I recorded the whole podcast, he went back and I was so happy. When we transferred everything, the video editor said, "Paji, आवाज नहीं आ रही." मैं कहा यार, ये तो हम तुसी देखो क्यों नहीं आ रही, अब पता सारा कुछ चेक किया था। And then the editor did all the hard work. He extracted the audio from the other camera's reception, which was of course, noise, background noise हम cover करने के लिए उस तरह के mics होंगे, but he still extracted the audio from that mic, from that video, and he used that audio by lip syncing it with mine. So that's how we created that podcast. So there are such challenges, and then there is immense support system. I'll talk about support system.
I hope you got your own camera now.
Yes, sir.
I hope you got your own camera now.
Yes, sir. This one
Is it
camera.
working today?
Yes, sir. This camera is of the team that is recording.
Red light जल रही है.
Red light chal rahi hai. Thank you for the confirmation. So I would just talk about the immense support system that I've got. उसके बाद I'll forward the mic to all of you so that let's talk to each other. थोड़ा memories recall करिए. So the biggest support system, Mr. Hardeep Singh Chandpuri. Whenever I wanted a studio space, his studio was always available. His cameras were always available. I would go to his office. The camera team would be there. The cameras, the studio, everything set. I would just sit there, record, transfer the data to my laptop, and I would come back. So that is the biggest support that anyone can ever have for this magazine as well. He had Mr. Hardeep's team has created this backdrop. The design has been created by him, and then all the creatives that we see online, they are all created by him. I can't even imagine how many times he has helped us, and in how many ways he has helped. So, such support is very very important. Nilesh Kulkarni sir is here from Delhi. I went to Nilesh Kulkarni sir's house and I recorded at his place. But look at the level of love and support. And people, I have such amazing people around me. Later on, after about 2 weeks, he called me. He said, "Mubarak, although we have recorded at my place, it was convenient, but I see that your studio's quality seems to be far, far better. And we don't want to go with subpar quality video. So now, because you have a studio and you have a team, so it's okay. मैं travel करके तेरे पास आ जाऊँगा. मैं सेम डे वापस आऊँ रुकूँ मेरी मर्जी, बट मैं तेरे पास दिल्ली से आके तेरे साथ रिकॉर्ड करूँगा. तेरी शो की क्वालिटी अब वापस उस लेवल पे नहीं जानी चाहिए जहाँ से तू आगे बढ़ चुका. So thank you so much, sir. We traveled to Mohali. We recorded here. Talking about my recordings in Gurgaon, Delhi. I have other friends, sir. I always tell you कि मैं गुड़गांव अपने दोस्त के घर stay करने गया था. Angad and Lavanya, they are here today from Delhi for this event. So my childhood friend Angad, his wife Lavanya, they are here from Gurgaon especially for this event. That is the level of support system and love that we are talking about. Whenever there is a guest who wants to record in Gurgaon, Delhi, that area, Angad and Lavanya, it's their place where I go, where I record, and they are always there to help. I face no difficulty at all recording there. I don't feel like it is like my second. That is the level of support that I have. I don't know how much support we have Miss Nagina over here. Nagina ma'am has sponsored 10 episodes of my podcast. Now that is a very, very, very big support. In those times when it is very easy for people to say कि advertisement हो जाएगी, no. You know, there is someone who is there who says, call me if you have a problem. Whenever there is anything, I just call. There is a lot of guidance that we get, but at the same time, 10 episodes were sponsored by her. And in the magazine as well, if we look behind, there is one brand here, Kosha, and there is another brand there, Desper. There are 2 pages in the magazine which have been taken by her. Advertisement of her brand is there in the magazine. So there is this support system, again, without which it is not possible to proceed. Of course, Vivek Atre sir is here. My first book was released by Mr. Vivek Atre. My second, third, fourth books were released by Vivek sir. And today's book also. All my books, as a writer, if I flourished because of Vivek Atre sir. Vivek Atre sir, he may be busy anywhere around the world. He's always available on WhatsApp. If I call and he doesn't pick the call, he'll just send a message. Mubarak text. I'll send a text. जो भी काम होता है उसकी guidance मिल जाएगी, वो काम पूरा हो जाएगा. So with such support system and before starting the podcast, it was here in Beauty Guest House only, sir. We were here for someone's event. I believe J. Chima sir's event here. There was an event in Beauty Guest House. I stepped outside and Vivek sir said, yes, you wanted to discuss something. I said, sir, I am going to start my podcast. कहते okay, बता किस तरह की help चाहिए. He is the one who guided me कि किस तरह से हमें शुरुआत करनी चाहिए. So that's how I started. And Mr. Sumir Walia is here. He invited me to Chitkara University. And at Chitkara University, there was a question asked by a student, what are the other podcasts which you would recommend, जो हमें देखने चाहिए. I said, आप popular वाले वो billions वाले छोड़ के, you go to Good Vibes show, Vivek Atre sir का show देखो. You go to Supreet Singh show. You go to Story Scrapers अगर online जाना है. मेरे अराउंड जितने भी पॉडकास्ट चल रहे हैं, मैं तो उनसे देख के सीखा हूँ यार. मैं तो उनको हमेशा कहता हूँ कि इनसे देख के तो मैं सीखा हूँ. All my credit goes to them. So why don't you all watch them? So then the student said, okay, we watch. So that's how we love, we support each other, and that is how I've come here today, especially for the launch of Podcast Magazine. Book, I would say today, is complimentary because book 5वीं है लेकिन Podcast Magazine पहली है और साल में एक ही बार आई हुई हर साल. I really wanted to share all these things. There are a lot more things which I want to share, but we are, time बहुत. Sir, Shweta ma'am का thanks का end which बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है. Sir, Shweta ma'am का thanks तो मैंने आज तक show नहीं खत्म हो सकता. It's not the show. Okay, yeah. So Hardeep sir says पिछले event का भी कर दें. So the thing is, towards the end, sometimes we forget mentioning some people. I am wholeheartedly thankful to anyone and everyone who is present here, who has ever supported me. कई बार अपन कुछ चीज़ां ते नाम नहीं ले पाते. But then, yes, you should know that, my heart goes out when I think about all of you people and how you all have supported me to be who I am today. And Shweta ma'am, thank you so much. Before I forget later on, thank you so much for hosting the event in the best possible way. And thank you so much for a lot more things, being on my podcast, referring other guests to my podcast, taking my podcast to Mumbai with your friend visiting from Mumbai to Mohali. There are a lot of things that you have done to support me. Thank you so much for everything. two-way interaction that we have started on a note that these are the memories that I wanted to recall. Right? And we have a mic over here. Please, Vivek Atreza, let's start with you, please. Any memory you want to talk about?
Speaker has to come here.
Definitely, sir.
Only for 2 minutes. You stay there.
Sure.
I'm basically just wanting to share that Delu is here. I was at his home as well, in the same space where you were. And it's a very beautiful home. And the kind of energy he reflected that day inspired me in the Good Vibes show. I'm sure you were inspired as well. I think we're all blessed to be with each other in this wonderful group we call Novel Bunch. And there are some novel people here who are not part of Novel Bunch, Pradeep. So please make them a part of Novel Bunch, because I'm standing here now, I can see them. And I think Mubarak is also, apart from what you can see and hear, he's got a wonderful name.
Yes.
And I mean, it's very hackneyed to say Mubarak, ho Mubarak. But you know, he has a celebratory name. I mean, Mubarak Sandhu, another name I actually like and I'm a very big fan is Jasprit Bumrah. Bumrah. Boom, boom, boom. विवेक जैसा नाम बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. क्योंकि my wife tells me कि विवेक का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपके अंदर विवेक है. इसका ये मतलब है कि आपको इस पे काम करने की जरूरत है. Nina tells me always. Nina tells me that Vivek means that you have to work on your Vivek. He doesn't have to work on his Mubarak. But he's effortlessly, you know, that celebratory, energetic kind of person. Of course, I tell Nina that what does your name mean, and she doesn't have an answer to no joke. But Mubarak, for you, I just say that this podcast is fantastic. Because your energy levels are amazing. To replicate, to bring it out every week is almost impossible. But you have done the same, and people here are a testimony to your goodwill. Ultimately, the accumulation, some gyan has to be given. Accumulation of life, the earning of life is our goodwill that we have, the friends, that friend circle that we have. And I must say that everybody here is here for you. And also, I'm impressed with the sponsors. I've never seen a book launch with so many sponsors. Never, never. So a round of applause for the sponsors as well. And I can see Raveen, I can see Nagina. I don't know if the other sponsors are here. But we do have some plans to have an event at Kosha, Saguna. So please be ready for that. Kosha is in Kasoli and we will be there sometime. Is any other sponsor here whom I should acknowledge?
I'll tell everyone.
Raveen is here, of course, I know Raveen. Sumer is here, but Sumer is not your sponsor, he is the sponsor of Vibrant Photo. So anyway, we're all friends here, some new faces, a warm welcome, and Mubarak, keep doing what you do with the same level of energy. And there is a poem in that which I just saw, which you told me earlier, why I am single. So why are you single? They'll have to read the book to know that, right? Otherwise, there may be applications to convert you from single to non-single. Thank you so much for that. Over to everybody.
I thought you were about to say, write the poem why I am single.
I am not interested, maybe.
So, that would have been an out of syllabus question. But yes, we have Guru Kripa Timbers here, we have Vibrant Forum here, we have Story Scrapers, we have Capital 90.8 FM Smart Books India. सभी तो हैं यहाँ पे सर, हमें ये पूछना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे है कौन नहीं. So Com TV, their representatives have not been able to come today. And then we have Balle Bali Magazine Academy. सर मेरे 6 sponsor तो हरदीप सर हैं. So then we have Paper Towns, that's the publisher that has released my today's book. We have the team of Com TV here finally. Harsh Timan is here. Yes, please. Thank you so much for coming here. So he's the cameraman who has recorded the last 5 to 7 episodes that me, Mr. Harsh Timan is here. Gurmeet ji, are you? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਲੇ represent ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ Com TV ਨੂੰ? Perfect. So we have Com TV's representatives here today. Yes. And in fact, Com TV, I must tell you, it is the first Punjabi OTT platform which has been created just for documentaries. And ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਚੌਪਾਲ TV ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਟਾਈਪ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ. There is content that they will be given to Chopal TV as well. But then this is the first OTT platform. You can get it on Apple Store and then Android, Play Store as well. The app is available, just like Netflix. So then we have Kosha, of course, I must tell this. So this logo over here, this is Sir Baba Banda Singh Bahadur Engineering College. I have studied here in this college. So I passed out as an engineer in 2012 as a mechanical engineer. जो उस टाइम पे मेरे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के प्रोफेसर थे वो आज इसी कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल हैं, मिस्टर लखवीर सिंह, डॉक्टर लखवीर सिंह. So that is the reason this logo is here. Wherever I go, I can never forget my teachers, my school, my college. They will always be with me wherever I go. Yes, please. Vivek Atre sir shared something. Sir, Nilesh sir,
something interesting.
आपके पास मैं खुद माइक
नहीं वहाँ
सर प्लीज.
ये तो
This is actually a very interesting incident about Mubarak's aura, the one that you spoke about the kind of positive energy that he brings to everything that he does. Now he recorded this podcast with me, and I have two grandchildren aged 11 and 10, grandsons. They were there when we were watching it on television. So they saw the whole thing absolutely enthralled, looking at the screen with absolutely fixed eyes and all. And I, like a good grandfather, thought they were looking at me. But the truth actually came out when Mubarak was there for my book launch in the India International Center in August. And my grandson came running to me, and the older one came running to me and said, "वो वाले अंकल को आप जानते हो?" "हाँ जानता हूँ, जो टीवी पे आते हैं." "मैं जानता हूँ, हमको मिलवा दो ना please." So he went running to him and said, "Mubarak." Then one of them was in the washroom. So the older one went running to the washroom and said, "ये बाद में करना, पहले Mubarak अंकल से मिलना." He dragged him there, and since that day I think they've been raving about him, and it has added immense value to me that I know Mubarak sir. So thank you very much for that. Thank you.
Sir, there is another incident related to the same thing that you have just told. We were here in the UT guest house only. And sir, आप उस दिन, yes, Mr. Nilesh Kulkarni was here for his session in Chitkara University, Baddi. We were supposed to visit. So we were here in UT guest house. He was staying here in his room. We went to his. I was waiting for him while he was getting ready. And Sarita ma'am, Nilesh Kulkarni sir's wife. So she said, call करते हैं, grandchildren को call करते हैं. So she just video called them. उनमें से एक ने वीडियो कॉल उठाया. She just said, पता है हमारे साथ आज कौन है? And then he just jumped. Mubarak uncle है. And the other one who was unwell didn't go to school because he was not well. He came running. जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं होता. जैसे गलती बन गई है, चोरी बन गई है. He came running from the other room. अच्छा मुबारक uncle है. अच्छा बेटा तो बीमार था.
मतलब after that whole episode of knowing you, they have begun to think कि मेरे grandpa भी कुछ है. मुबारक uncle को जानते हैं.
इज्जत बढ़ गई है.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, please.
You just classified yourself as uncle. जब तक शादी नहीं होती तब तक भैया.
हो गया सर, अब क्या करें?
Big mistake.
Thank you so much, sir. I am reminded of another thing. We have Mr. Ren Singh here. Sir, तुझे कल ही आने 5:30 बजे. So yesterday at 5:30 p.m. I got a call from Mr. Raj. He said, देख लो थोड़े शो की सानू कितनी काल गई, मैं तो आज ही आ गया भाई. So he forgot to see the date. And yesterday at 5:30 p.m. I got a call that there was one person here already for my event. But thank you for coming again, sir. And thank you for not waiting here only. Thank you so much, sir. We also have Amar Chauhan sir over here. He is not a member of Novel Bunch, but I must introduce him. Big inspiration. मतलब मैं जीते वाल देखी जा रहा हूँ, मेरा दिल करता सब बारे बोलना, टाइम पर बात हो गई. Mr. Amar Chauhan sir, he is 80 plus right now. He is an ultra marathon runner. Even at the age of around 80 साल एक बार हजे भी रनिंग करके फतेहगढ़ साहब जाके मत्था टेक के मोहाली वापस आ गया. Big inspiration. मेरे ख्याल से 115 मेडल
116 गोल्ड मेडल मेरे को कनेडा, अमेरिका ते इंडिया तो जिते हुए. अमेरिका दी मैं 8 दौड़ा दौड़ियां ने 21 किलोमीटर, वो सारियां चो मेरी गोल्ड मेडल सी. और कनेडा में भी आलमोस्ट सारियां जो 35-36 मैं उत्थे दौड़ियां ने उन्हां विचों. बाकी इत्थे बॉम्बे साडी होया करदी है TMM टाटा ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ हमेशा 7 साल लगातार मेरा गोल्ड मेडल सिर्फ अपने ही एज ग्रुप को नहीं, अपने तो मैं ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਬੈਟਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, 1.5 ਘੰਟਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ।
Thank you so much, sir. Now, this is the reason I started my podcast. Probably I was selfish. I needed more inspiration and more motivation. But these are the people whom I interviewed and who I get inspiration from. I see Mr. Birender Singh Sidhu here. Birender sir is here probably after 1 year. Novel Manch का कोई भी event attend नहीं कर पाए because he had some heart issues. He got his surgery done. But thank you so much, sir. This is the first event that you are attending probably after 1 year. Thank you so much for this love and support. Birender sir supports athletes of Punjab. Around 8 to 9 athletes. They are totally sponsored by Mr. Birender. And probably last 2-3 years ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 35 to 40 lakh rupees sir spend ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ uplift ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ। We have Ritu ma'am here, finally she has made it here. She the People is a very renowned platform. She has just won the Best Content Creator Award. She the People, Best Women Content Creator 2022. मैंने नहीं पता मैं किस का थैंक्स करा, but yes, तुसी कोई भी कुछ बोलो यार, let's talk, you know, we hardly have 10 minutes. We have Mr. Shubh Brar and Kaushal ji finally पहुंच चुके हैं. Mr. Shubh Brar, Mr. Aman is also here. So yes, so sir, we were talking about logos. This second logo is of Guru Kripa Timber, and they are also my family friends. So that is the reason again they are here. Acha, another funny incident. Mr. Ajay is there on the book counter. Mr. Hardeep sir is with Hardeep sir always. So मैं बाहर वैसे ही बुक काउंटर ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਅਜੇ ਜੀ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਬੁੱਕਸ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੋਂ 5-10 ਬੁੱਕਸ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਲਿਫਾਫੇ ਚ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ। मैं कहा अजय भाजी बुक्स अजे ना चको, मैं तुम उम्मीद छड़ दी कि हम कोई आगे बुक लूँगा यार, की पता कोई लेट आए, मैं तुम बुक्स ना चको है। कहती नहीं जी ये तो मैं बैग में डाल। मैं कहा कैरी बैग में क्यों डाल रहे हो अजय जी, क्या हो गया, बुक्स की टेबल क्यों खाली कर रहे हो? कहते नहीं जी वो खरीद ली किसी ने। मैं कहा भाई इतनी बुक्स किसने खरीद ली, क्या हो गया? And then suddenly Mr. Shubh comes up, he says you have done a lot for us, you are always there with us, you are a family member. If you have invited us here, हमारी भी कुछ responsibility बनती है। पता नहीं 2-3 लिफाफे भर दिए books दे without telling me he has paid for it. I never wanted him to pay for it, but he has paid for all the books and he said साढ़े गुरु कृपा टिम्बर जिथे भी टेबल होगा उथे होंगे सारी books पे। My friend Angad, the childhood friend that I am talking about, the very first book जो मैं release की थी वो तो लेके आज तक जब भी मेरी book Amazon पे होनी है, he is the first person to always order 5 books. He always orders 5 books and he says एक मैं रखूँगा बाकी अपने friends को दे दूँगा यार, आई भरावां एक दूसरे की support कर रहे हैं। So there are such gestures, there is this love that keeps us going, you know, that keeps us motivating, that keeps us inspiring. And then of course towards the end, just like Vivek sir said, we've got so many sponsors, it's important to thank them as well. Before I thanking them means thanking everyone and then closing the event, right? If there's anything else that anyone would like to talk about, let's keep it a two-way.
You had a challenge while recording the 50th episode in my office.
जी sir?
You had a big challenge when you were recording the 50th episode.
Oh sir, हाँ जी, sir का मैं how could I forget that?
I wasn't there,
So when I was recording the 50th episode, it was important again. मैंने नहीं याद आ रहा मैं की share करा. I requested Saguna ma'am that let's record the 50th episode because one co-founder of Novel Manch, Mr. Hardeep Singh Chanpuri, I recorded with him for the first episode in his studio. So why not let's keep the 50th episode even more special, similarly special. So you, the second co-founder of Novel Manch, मैं 50th आपके साथ करूँगा. She readily agreed, but she was not available for Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And we were talking about podcast recording on Thursday. So I said इतना लेट हम ना करें, हम कल ही रिकॉर्ड कर देते हैं. हमारी कमिटमेंट रिकॉर्डिंग की पहले हो गई. Next day I called ComTD Mr. Harshtiman. He said सर कल तो हमारी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म की एक्चुअली हमारी लॉन्चिंग है, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है हमारी प्रेस क्लब में, तो कल रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो पाएगी. मैं कहा कोई बात नहीं. I called Hardeep sir, he said कोई बात नहीं मेरे स्टूडियो में आके कर देना. और उस दिन हम इनके स्टूडियो में गए तो उस दिन सारे सेक्टर का पावर कट था और उस पावर कट पे इन्वर्टर पे लैपटॉप सिस्टम्स चल रहे थे, यूपीएस चल रहे थे, बट बैटरी इन्वर्टर की लो दिखा रही है. वो लो बैटरी ते भी हौसला सीगा कोई गल नहीं, लो है बंद तो नहीं हुआ, शुरू करो, लेट्स सी. वी स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग एंड प्रोबेबली आफ्टर 15 or 20 minutes वो लाइट चली गई, इन्वर्टर डीसी ड्यूटी मच गई एंड दैट वाज इट. सो द इन्वर्टर वाज गॉन, द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाज गॉन. मैम सेड व्हाट शैल वी डू इट नेक्स्ट वीक? मैं कहा नहीं मैम, ਇੱਥੇ तक ਆਏ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਹੀ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਲੈਟਸ ਟਰਾਈ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ. ਮੈਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਸ਼ਿਫਟ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਬਾਹਰ, ਓਪਨ ਚ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ. And then Mr. Amarjeet, the magazine designer, he came from the office. He said, "Sir, एक दो UPS कर रहे थे, ਅਸੀਂ वो UPS भी बंद करते हैं, ਆਪਾਂ ऑन करते हैं इन्वर्टर, ਤੁਸੀਂ बस फटाफट कर लो, अंदर ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਟ ਵੀ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਟ ਦੀ ਜਿਸ ਫੋਕਸ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਜਲਾ ਲਓ, ਬਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਊਗਾ, 10 ਮਿੰਟ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ." Somehow, मैं the second time also the light went, so I don't know second time what happened. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ UPS तो फिर भी चल रहा ਸੀਗਾ, फिर लाइट चली गई, सारी रिकॉर्डिंग फिर खराब हुई. But then eventually we kept pushing the button of inverter कि ਜੇ ਤੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਟਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਹਟਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੂੰ ਬੰਦ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਚਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਵਾਰੀ. So we kept on restarting the inverter and eventually the same day within 2 hours we completed the recording. We didn't give up.
The practice, the takes, the retakes, all happened in one.
All happened in one. And there's a poem in my book that says quitting. So that is what I'm all about. It was we were at a verge of quitting कि यार आज नहीं possible होगा, we didn't do it, but we did it. We did it somehow. Yes, that was another interesting memory. Anything else, please? Anyone? Lalit ji, आप इतने शांत बैठे हैं. Lalit ji, please. Yes, please.
First of all, I would say congratulations to you on the launching of your podcast magazine.
Thank you, sir.
Now my question is, since you are a writer also and launching your 4th or 5th book here, along with that you are managing your Mubarak show also, and now you are in the digital printing of magazine also. So question is, how do you manage your energies? How do you channelize your time? And what is the success of your success?
Sir, I sleep less. That's the only thing that I do. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਲੋਜ਼ਲੀ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਆ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ WhatsApp ਸਟੇਟਸ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ 3 ਵਜੇ 4 ਵਜੇ ਚਾਹ ਦਾ ਸਟੇਟਸ ਪਾ ਲੈਂਦਾ WhatsApp. So I sleep less, I work through the night, in the morning I'm out in the field, I'm with you, all of you here today. And at night also when I'll go back home, there is content writing work that is waiting for me. वो मेरा रात का काम है, वो मैं रात को जाके करना है. Sometimes I don't sleep, sometimes I sleep for 2 to 3 hours. जिद्दन किते मैनू 6 hours तो ज़्यादा भी sleep मिल जाती है, उस दिन मैनू hangover हो जाता है, उस दिन अगला दिन का सारा sleep. So I'm so used to sleeping less that I sleep around for about 2 to 5 hours. That's it. 5-6 घंटे का sleep. So that's how I manage time. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Yes. Anything else, please? Any discussion? Any memory? Nothing else?
Tattoos are due with you.
Oh, of course, yes.
I just got the message. I just read your message.
You just, मैंने गलत कर लिया. So Ritu
We
ma'am
must
was,
have shared with everyone here.
yes, Ritu ma'am was here in my show, and then because she is the content creator for food, she's a renowned content creator on food, and then she cooks a lot of things. So इंडिया कैंप चीज़ें ना बट साबुन नहीं कभी खाया कुछ होता नहीं. So when we were recording a podcast with her, I asked her a question. कि मैम इतनी सोहनियां स्वाद चीज़ां तुसीं कुक करदे हो, साडे कोले कदे कुछ लेके नहीं आए, साडे कोले भी खाली हाथ आ गए. She promised कि मैं घरे लड्डू वट के ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਡੂ ਖਵਾਉਂਗੀ.
ਪਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਕਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਹੈ, ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਜੀ, ਸਹੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ. ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ, ਬਟ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੈਨ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਕਮਿੰਗ ਵਿਦ ਦ ਟਰੋਫੀ. ਆਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ ਲੱਡੂ ਬਣਦੇ ਆ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ, ਤਾਂ ਪੱਕਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਉਂਗੀ.
ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟਲੀ.
At that time she was due She the People award ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ, and she said ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਗੀ, ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਖਾਵਾਂਗੀ. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਮ She the People ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਤ ਕੇ ਆ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ, ਹੁਣ ਲੱਡੂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲਿਆ ਸਕਦੇ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਲੇਟ ਪੜਿਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ, ਇਹ ਗਲਤ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ. So thank you so much for
Next book launch, next event. So
definitely we have our next event, sir, 3rd Thursday Chandigarh. Ma'am 17th December.
yes,
19th of December. Ma'am 19th of December is the date.
So you
6:40.
have given me ample of time. I can pack packets for
Done,
everyone.
ma'am. 19th of December. 100 packets. ज़्यादा नहीं sir, बस only 100. So towards the end, so I believe I would just wind up by thanking the sponsors once again, and we have Hyundai and Joshi AutoZone, Joshi Automobiles Private Limited, Chandigarh. So Hyundai Chandigarh, Hyundai Motors India Limited, they have taken one full page in the magazine, and then they have helped a lot in creating this magazine. So thank you so much, Raveen sir, for making it possible. So Hyundai, Joshi, and then yes, the Mercedes carry bags that you are getting outside, those are also sponsored by Joshi Automobiles Private.
There are Mercedes in the carry bag.
I wish, sir. Your wish. But sir, see, I named Hyundai, I named Joshi, I named Mr. Naveen Walia, but eventually Tariya Mercedes the carry bags thing bachiya. Mercedes the carry bag learning padya appa. So then we have Tesla and Kosha, of course, Nagina Batsman, Baba Bhagta Singh Bahadur Engineering College, then Mr. Hardeep Singh Chandpuri, Academy of Broadcasting, Bali Bali Magazine, Normal Punch, Capital 90.8 FM. Sir, kuch rahe kya? Smartphones India. Yes, please. So, highly thankful to everyone here. Guru, Kripa, Timber, Mr. Shobh and Mr. Kaushal are here. Com TV, Vibrant, Networking Forum. Sir, thank you so much for all the help, sir. Thank you. Story Scrapers, yes. Sir, once again, I'm reminded of thanking Shweta ma'am. Story Scrapers is the online podcasting platform which Shweta ma'am runs, which she's a host of. Yes, sir. Okay, and Hardeep sir says if I mere vallo bhi thank you. Thank you from Hardeep sir's side. So thank you so much everyone for being here. I am highly indebted, highly thankful to you all for being here, taking out time, and to all the guests who have been on the podcast, all the people who have helped build this podcast, all the guests who are here, my family friends, my extended network de vich jo bhi friends aaye hoye. I can't thank you all enough. I just can't thank you all enough. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. In Novel Munch towards the end, I would say, thank you so much for making me a successful writer and a successful podcaster. I owe it to Novel Munch.
Great going. Mubarak the showman.
Sir, इसी बात पे towards the end क्यों ना हो ही जाए. मुबारक हो for being on the Mubarak show.
मुबारक हो.
Let's make a video of it. इसका एक video clip शुरू कर देना. So I'll say मुबारक हो for being on, and everyone will say the Mubarak show. Done, ma'am? Ready? Done. I'm sure ma'am सब तो ऊँची बोलेंगे. Okay. So मुबारक हो for being on. मुबारक हो. Once again, मुबारक हो for being on. मुबारक show. Thank you so much for being on the launch of the Mubarak Show podcast. A new poetry book. Shweta ma'am, over to you for the last words.
Well, of all the events that I have hosted, I must say that this has been a very special and close to our hearts because it marks the success of a good friend. As you have already taken the signed copies, Mubarak will now be available for pictures also. So ladies and gentlemen, have a great evening and you've been the best audience till now. Thank you so much for being here and sharing our success, sharing the journey and spending some nice moments with us. Have a great evening.